Is your wood long enough, strong enough, straight enough? At Colorado Stud Company, we collect lumber cutoffs and using finger joint technology are reprocessing it into new usable 2x4s and 2x6s. Like so, for commercial and residential construction. So travel back in time with me. There we go. Travel back in time with me when our vice president, Chad Anderson, was just a lowly salesman in the lumber industry, immersed in a culture where no one saw any value in a board that was less than 8 feet long. But Chad saw things differently. He decided to become his own boss and created a business called Second Chance Lumber. One day, a client of his mentioned they could really use some 2 to 3 foot material for stakes. But wait, I didn't think there was any value in a board that small. So keeping an open mind and eyes to this request, as Chad was sourcing material for his endeavor, he noticed this. Waste from the on-site prefab wall manufacturers piling up, loaded into dumpsters, and destined for the landfill. Connections were made and relationships were cultivated. Long story short, and short wood longer, we are now Colorado Stud Company. Chad partnered with Kurt Scott, a gritty entrepreneur with over 40 years experience in the construction and framing industry. Nick Scott, our director of operations, has been integral in our efficiency improvements. Brett Kurtzinger, our logistics director, heads up shipping and receiving, and also the final technical testing of our product. Plus Corey and Gavin, the mechanical geniuses that keep our machines running. We have 32 employees and began production in August of this past year. So let's watch as we go from this to this so that you can build this. As you can see, we've been busy. Based on a 40-yard roll-off carrying an average of 8 tons of material, we have the potential to divert 1,732 tons per month from Colorado landfills. Finger joint studs are considered a premium product in the lumber market. They are superior for vertical framing because they maintain their straight rigidity with far less warping. Plus, the type of pressure on a standard 2x4 that would cause it to bend and snap makes these joints tighter and stronger. The highest demand for our product is in Texas, and we are currently shipping there. But we would like to see our studs stay here in the Colorado market, so creating awareness about the benefits of finger joint lumber is top of mind. A challenge that we have encountered and overcome is the amount of material we have received that is not viable for finger jointing. Approximately 2/3 of each roll-off can be processed in our facility. We were recently approached by a local contractor who has agreed to buy that remaining 1/3 for use as playground surface, which is proving to be a profitable partnership. And currently, because of a lull in the housing market, we are having difficulty acquiring the amount of material that our machine is capable of processing. We are looking for a variety of locations to place our wood-only roll-offs outside of the already implemented truss and wall plants. We offer our services half or less than traditional landfill tipping fees. Colorado Stud Company has multiple revenue streams, including roll-off pickups, delivery of undesirable material, and predominantly the sale of manufactured lumber. We do not keep a stock of product and are struggling to keep up with demand. We also produce a lot of dust, and we would like to see this utilized in some way. We have made huge strides in our goal of taking cast-off material to create a premium product of straighter, stronger framing lumber without the use of virgin timber. And we could use your support by offering connections to source high volumes of clean dimensional lumber and possibilities to use our dust collections.